Hey guys, and welcome to a new video by Autoforie. In this video we are showing you the new DS7 Crossback. Yes, it's another SUV, but as you can see it's a very special one. I mean, look at it, it's a real beauty. It starts with the DS face, which you might have noticed from other models. I really do like it. It's a lot of chrome, it's a lot of black, and the design is very special. Continue to the headlights, which are totally amazing. They have their own light show. You have to get them if you get this car. In our case, we have the 19-inch wheels in a kind of winter edition, but you can get them in 17-inch or 18-inch as well. What I really do like about the DS7 is that we have a lot of movement compared to other SUVs in this segment. You can see it here at the front. It starts over here with kind of a real strong edge, and then it goes flat. Yeah, it goes flat, but it comes back at the end, which is very special to my mind. The car does not look only huge from the front, but also from the back. It's a real statement car. There's a lot of stuff going on here, a lot of chrome, as you can see. And by the way, the taillights, love them like the front. They are amazing. By the way, behind this tailgate, we have about 550 liters luggage space.
Since there is no real predecessor to the DS7 Crossback, except maybe the Citroën DS from the early 1960s, it is, as they say, a real all-new car. We have three engine options: 128 horsepower diesel with a 6-speed manual, or the bigger versions a 222 horsepower petrol, or this one 177 horsepower diesel, also with an 8-speed automatic gearbox. The car itself is all new, but it's based on the EMP2 platform from PSA, which is basically the platform every car of Peugeot and Citroën currently uses. But they managed to, well, give it a simple extra touch. With the drive mode you can switch between normal, comfort and sport, and you really feel the difference with the adaptive dampers. With it set to sport, you really can feel what's happening below the tires, you can feel the road. With it set to comfort, you really can enjoy the drive with the DS7 Crossback. As to the engine, the diesel is maybe the torque monster in the lineup, but it's not really a fun engine to drive. It's more of the efficiency option, or let's say the comfort option. And comfort is what this car is all about. Let's take a look at the interior. It's just perfect. It is just perfect. And considering the low price point, it's astonishing. With this Opera edition, we get not only very nice comfortable leather seats, but they're also heated and air conditioned. We get nice leather all around the car. We get perfectly nice stitching, and there's the big 12-inch touchscreen that really controls everything. And also, but as an option, the 12-inch TFT display to control everything you see as a driver, which also includes night vision, but that only triggers when it's really dark out. And that brings us to the final verdict of the DS7 Crossback. And that is all about the money, because the S only asks for 56,000 euros for this particular car in Germany. And luxury aside, it's really nothing compared to its opponents. So all in all, the DS7 Crossback is not only maybe the best luxurious compact SUV currently on the market, but it's also the best price to value compact SUV in the segment.
So guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. And if you want to see more of us, follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram especially.